Morning, and welcome to today's Talking to People. This is the BBC News, and today is Monday. No, it isn't. It's Tuesday. I've just been told by a small man in my ear. Now, today, my guest here is, if I just look at this piece of paper I have by my feet, just carry on looking, is Neil Bohr. Hello, Neil Bohr. Hello. and Mr. Neil Bohr, you are. Well, I'm a scientist. And basically, my job is that, yes, you're a scientist, we understand that. Now, well, I've invented a model of the atom which shows it rather like a solar system. Okay, and, can you give us any more information? Well, yes. It looks a little bit like this. Okay, we're just going to switch to some sort of projector screen now. This should be good. And nope. Okay, we're just gonna have to carry on talking. So, how's the family? Oh, I've just been told. No, right. Hey, everybody. Is it working? Yes, I believe it is. Is this working? Yes, you can speak now. Okay. Hello. So this is fun, isn't it? Okay, so I'm just going to show you what I have here. So what I have here is here is the nucleus. Oh, I like this. This here is the nucleus. That's the middle of the atom. These black lines here are the atomic shells. These are the way that these things, the electrons, move around. So these electrons shall move around these things. Okay, you can see here there are several rows here, here. This is just an example. You can have many more. These are three of things. What? Okay, so basically on the first shell out, you can have 2 electrons. On the third one out, you can have up to 8 electrons. You see, it's quite simple, really. Very logical. Everybody can understand that. I don't actually. I find that very difficult to shut up. This is my show. Yes, well, I'm speaking. And on the third row, you can also have 8 atoms, and yeah, it sort of does that. And then as you get further out, it gets more complicated. And to be quite honest, I don't understand that. Yeah, but there is one person I've met called Philip Granoff. He understands all of this, and if he were to do a project on this kind of thing, he'd get a good mark. That's a little bit off topic. No, I don't think it's off topic. No, that's very on topic. If you know what I mean. Hello. Okay, so I haven't talked about nucleus. Here is the nucleus. Okay, in a nucleus we have a proton spelt like this. Oops. That is a positively charged thing, and here and then something else we have in the nucleus is a neutron. Neutron. This is surprisingly. Oopsies. There's an N there, and that is negatively charged. Yeah. Okay, are you finished being boring? Yes, I think I have actually. Okay, good. Now, please leave. It's the thing that I'm gonna say. Good. Okay, goodbye. 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 Good. I think he might be back later. Okay, right. Okay, we going to cut to the studio. Yeah. Okay, and cut. Hello. What? It's not working. Well, what are they looking at now? What, that mess that sciencey dude left on the. Okay. 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 That's just great. Um. Okay. Um. I believe we're back in the studio, and in the studio with me, I have Mr. Teletubby over here, and his friend Bane, who I notice has a shotgun. I'm just gonna stay well away from the pointing. No, he's gonna point it at me. Okay. Mr. Bane here is here to talk for Mr. Teletubby, as all he can say is his name, um, which is Lala, but um, we don't really need to know that. So Lala, what's your opinion on Mr. Ball's model of the atom? Okay, you are allowed to tell Mr. Bane, Ashley. Wow, you ask. Ah, first of all, I'd like to say I have a cold, which is why my voice is so strange. So, well, I was born in the darkness. Okay, is that what the Teletubby said? Is it? No. Okay, Mr. Teletubby's problem with the diagram is that there aren't any, well, Teletubbies in it. He thinks that the world has been a little bit racist to the Teletubby. Right. Okay, and how did you get on the show? Wow, I used a shotgun. Of course you did. Okay, so right. So what would you like to be done about this racism towards terrorism? Wow, we'd like it to stop. Okay, and well, fair enough. And how do you propose that to happen? Wow, I have a shotgun. Okay, right. Now, how is the shotgun going to help? We shoot at it. Yes. Okay. This is a live program. Yes. So they get the message quickly. Oh, okay. Right. Okay. So your opinion of Mr. Bohr is not very good. No. Why no? And the fact that he thinks it looks like the solar system is preposterous. I've tried blowing up the solar system. It's not as easy as blowing up an atom with a nuclear bomb. Okay, right. Did you know that the word nuclear comes from the word nucleus? I could have guessed. Yes, I could have guessed. Could you point that somewhere else? No, it's mine. Okay, right. Mr. Teletubby, do you have any other, like, words for Mr. Bohr? Yes, he does. He asks that in his next diagram he includes some more Teletubbies. Now, I'm going to leave, and you're not going to say a word about my being. You're on national TV. Oh, well, none of you are going to tell anybody that I'm here. Again, Mr. Bohr. Now, for some reason, I'm kind of glad to see you. So, we heard there from Mr. Bane that you think it looks rather like the solar system. Well, it does actually. However, I don't really. Well, some people have taken it to the extremes. Okay, we're just going to show you some images of some people who have taken it to the extreme. Currently at the scene of a. Well, local police have just crushed the rebellion after people have tried to persuade people that the solar system looks exactly like an atom. It does happen that all of these people did happen to be dressed as Iron Man. We're just gonna. This is some camera feed video from one of the policemen. We're just going to switch to one of our reporters who will get an inside message from one of the people. So, hello, Mr. Policeman. So, what happened out there? Well, you see, these people, they keep coming up and they keep saying that the one true way to do science is that the way to do it is that an atom looks exactly like the solar system. Is getting out of control, really. I blame that Professor Bohr dude. He came up with the idea, and it's really brought this place down. This is not a good place, and yeah. Well, you did good. Yeah, you did good. Yeah, sorry. Well, you did good at like reporting and stuff. You're here right after the battle. I mean, there's still like a body over here. Oh yes, I believe there's one just just in shot here. If you just look at it, look right there. You see that? That's an arm. Everybody, you see the arm? You see the arm? And if I just have a look here, here's a camera. I'm just gonna take a selfie. Good time. Always take a selfie. Okay, good. And back to the studio. Hey everybody, now on the left here we do have a diagram of the solar system. This here is that diagram. You see here, firstly the differences of these two pictures. To start with, first of all, this is a lot bigger. To put this into perspective, if this side here was the size of the solar system, and this side here was the size of an atom, that would be around about the same sort of scale you're talking about here. Yeah, so that's one difference. That's the size. The second difference is that the pictures are slightly warped here. However,